Okay, video started. So I'll start the timer. This is the timer of 2 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to trying to convert an image of a maze to an actual maze for 3D. Okay, so this is the image. The point is that it has to be two color, and you can see that it's white and black. But you can use any other color, and it's not necessity, but the path should be 1 pixel wide. Unless you can just resize the image to make it 1 pixel wide, but it's okay. This isn't made by me, this is downloaded from the internet, but I'm going to use this anyway. So everything is working fine. I'll start the timer and action. I downloaded this software, which is a voxel software, Magica Voxel. This lets you print in, of course, voxel instead of pixel. Voxel is a kind of 3D pixel. This is here. Oh, what it is? Why it is here? Okay. So I imported the image as a object in the editor. I can change to edit mode. Or why is it working? Oh yes, now I can edit it. But the height is 1 pixel. I want it to be at least 7 because the wall should be high enough. I want this black lines to be wall. So for some reason I have to select the white one to extrude the black one. I didn't get it either, but let's click attach, extrude function, and you will see in a moment. I can extrude the black but not also the white. I didn't knew that. Okay, let's control Z everything and remove the. Yes, it's working. So I got it wrong, but that's fine. Okay, timer, 20 seconds left. Let's export it. Yes, and pause. 11 seconds left, and let's see the file. Where's the file? Did it export it correctly? Hide. Let's export it again. Oh, it's on the wrong folder. Desktop. Save. Okay. Don't count it toward the timer because it has only 11 seconds left. Yeah. Okay. This should be working by now. Opening Blender to test it. Now I'll import it in Blender to check. Open. File, import, and OBJ. Yes, it's working. Yes, it is. We can see that we can move around and see different things. Actually, this is working. You can go to select it and edit mode. I can see that it has many vertices in triangle shape. But okay, let's close Blender. Let's try to open it in a game. This is Godot Game Engine. I'm gonna create a new 3D scene. Okay, this is just for testing. This is the folder where supposed to move this OBJ file and the MTL. The MTL file is the texture of the obj file, which is a wave font file. Okay, obj. Let's bring it in the game. So this is technically in here. Uh, bring it higher up. Maybe it's too small. I should scale it up. Scale. Actually, let's see if there's a first person character. What is first person camera? No, there isn't any. So let's pause the video and create one. Pause. Okay, so I created this player quickly. Okay, I need a script. Let's pause it again. I didn't. So I created the player and I can click F6. Check this out. This is my maze that I created from a single picture. Uh, and you can move in it. That's it for this video. I will come up with more contents, so you can subscribe. I don't want to make this video too big or everyone will think that I'm lying about 1 minute.